Let's talk about a detailed case study of unemployment. You can also use headphones and listen this all the sentences and learn about the unemployment. So let's begin this video. Introduction of case study of unemployment. Unemployment is one of the most serious socio-economic problems faced by both developed and developing countries. It refers to a situation where individuals who are willing and able to work at prevailing wage rates cannot find suitable employment. In today's globalized world, unemployment is not just about the absence of jobs but also about the mismatch between available skills and job requirements. This issue has become particularly significant in countries like India, where a large population and rapid economic changes create both opportunity and challenges. This case study aims to analyze unemployment in detail, focusing on its issues, types, impact, and possible solution with a special reference to India. Meaning and concept of unemployment. Unemployment occurs when a person is actively searching for work but is unable to find unemployment. It is considered a key indicator of a country economic health. In India, unemployment is measured by agency like the National Statistical Office, NSO, National Statistical Office, which consider individuals unemployed if they are available for work but cannot find it under existing conditions. Unemployment is not only an economic issue but also a psychological problem affecting individuals and society at large. Types of unemployment. Unemployment can be categorized into various types. Disguised unemployment. This occurs when more people are unemployed in a job than actually required. It is common in agriculture where additional workers do not increase productivity. Seasonal unemployment. It occurs during certain seasons when a demand for labor is low, such as in agriculture or tourism. Structural unemployment. This arises due to a mismatch between workers' skill and job requirements. Frictional unemployment. This is temporary unemployment when individuals are between job entering the workforce. Cyclical unemployment. This occurs due to economic downturns or re- recessions. Technological unemployment. Advancement in technology replace human labor, reducing job opportunities. Causes of unemployment. Unemployment is caused by multiple interrelated factors. Population growth. Rapid population growth increases the labor supply faster than job creation, leading to unemployment. Lack of skill and education. A major causes of unemployment is the mismatch between education and industry requirements. Many graduates lack practice skill and needed for jobs. And jobless economic growth. Economic growth does not always generate sufficient employment, especially when growth is concentrated in capital intensive sector. Agricultural dependence. A large portion of India's population depends on agriculture, which has limited unemployment capacity and leads to disguised unemployment. Industrial slowdown. Lack of industrial development limits job opportunity in manufacturing sector. Technological advancement. Automation and artificial intelligence reduce the need for human labor. Social factors, caste systems, gender inequality, and regional disparities restrict access to unemployment opportunity. Demographic pressure, the working age population is growing faster than job creation, increasing unemployment. Case study of unemployment in India. These topics also define the Indian unemployment. India presents a unique case of unemployment due to its large population and diverse economy. Employment structure. Over 90% of India's workforce is employed in the informal sector. Agriculture employs around 45% of the workforce but contributes only about 15% of GDP. This imbalance highlights inefficient and hidden unemployment. Youth unemployment. Youth unemployment is a major concern. A large number of graduates struggle to find job due to skill mismatch. Many prefer white collar jobs, increasing competition and unemployment. Gender disparity. Female participation in the workforce is low due to social and structural barriers, regional variations. Some regions experience higher unemployment due to lack of individualization and infrastructure. Effect of unemployment. Unemployment has wide ranging consequences. Economic effect: reduction in national income, decrease in productivity, increased dependency ratio. Social effect: poverty and equality increases, crime rates may rise, social unrest and dissatisfaction. Psychological effect: stress and depression, loss of self-esteem, frustration among youth. Impact on economic growth. Unemployment and poverty are closely related and negatively affect economic growth. Government initiatives to reduce unemployment. Governments improve various policies to tackle unemployment. Employment schemes. Manrega provides rural employment opportunity. Skill India mission focus on skill development. Startup India promotes entrepreneurship, education and skill development, improving vocation training and aligning education with industry needs. Industrial development, encouraging industries to create more jobs, especially in manufacturing. Support for MSMEs, small and medium enterprises generate significant unemployment. Challenges in reducing unemployment. Despite efforts, several challenges remains: rapid population growth, technological disruption, lack of quality education, informal sector dominance, data accuracy issues in measuring unemployment. Solution and recommendation: to reduce unemployment, the following steps are essential. Skill-based education, focus on practical and vocation training, promote entrepreneurship, industrial explanation, and encourage startups and self employment. Industrial expansion, develop labor intensive industries, and digital and technological training, prepare workforce for future jobs, and also including and rural development, create non-agriculture job opportunity in rural areas. And conclusion: unemployment is a complex issue that affect economic growth, social stability and individual well-being. In countries like India, is not merely about the lack of job, but also about structural issues such as skill mismatch, population pressure and economic imbalance.